Say hi, Mom.
Hi, Jacob. You got the hiccups?
I'm so confused by this. I don't like this.
Hey. Oh.
Say hi, Mom.
Hi. What do you think?